Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 electronics projects from the Astro Electric Channel. Now look, as learners and builders, we usually expect, step-by-step instructions, circuit diagrams, and clear use cases. But what we actually got from this specific source is something, well, it's vastly more mysterious and surprisingly profound. We're treating their exact, highly unusual transcript as our ultimate data source today. So we're not going to go hunting for missing diagrams. Instead, we're going strictly off the raw text to see what it actually tells us about the future of DIY tech. To unpack this complex material, we've broken it down into 4 key phases. First, the 2026 electronics promise. Second, the phenomenon of heat. Third, the waiting phase. And finally, trust and connection. Let's get right into it. Starting off with Section 1, the 2026 electronics promise, expectation versus reality. You really have to notice the stark contrast here between that highly specific instructional title and the hypnotic, repetitive reality of the actual transcript data. I mean, when you hear top 6 useful electronics projects, you expect a list, right? You expect components like resistors, capacitors, microcontrollers, the whole shebang. But the reality of our source text? It's this intense, rhythmic repetition consisting almost entirely of the words heat, hey, and the letter N. There are literally no 6 distinct projects listed here. Instead, we're handed this unified, almost pulsing wall of text. It kind of forces us to ask, is the useful electronics project of 2026 less about building a physical gadget and more about interpreting a raw, slightly unhinged signal? That brings us to Section 2, the phenomenon of heat and the dominant output. When we break down the vocabulary distribution, the overwhelming dominance of the word heat is absolutely undeniable. It completely swallows the rest of the dataset. And that proves this isn't just a casual repetition, it's a measurable phenomenon. Think about it. In the world of electronics, heat is usually the enemy, right? It's the byproduct of energy, the thing we use heat sinks and thermal paste to manage so our devices don't just fry. Yet, in this 2026 projection, heat is the primary output. It completely overtakes the secondary presence of hey and that tiny minority of the letter N. The data doesn't describe managing heat, the data is heat. I mean, honestly, maybe the ultimate DIY project of the future is just building a really, really intense space heater. If we catalog the primary vocabulary a bit further, we see a raw data set entirely focused on thermal output, but also paired with some very specific spatial markers. Heat is categorized at an extreme frequency, obviously, but look a little deeper. We have up here appearing at a low frequency, along with the word yeah. This actually gives the data a sense of location and affirmation. The electronics aren't just generating heat, they're generating it up here. It paints this vivid picture of a localized, intense thermal event, punctuated by the conversational, almost rhythmic hey and yeah. It makes the machine's output sound incredibly organic, doesn't it? This sheer volume of this thermal focus forces us to earnestly ask, what is going on here? Is this an audio glitch, a misinterpretation by some transcript and algorithm, or is it a profound statement about the literal output of electronics in 2026? If anyone can make these projects, and the project is simply heat, are we looking at a future where the ultimate DIY endeavor is just raw energy generation? The repetition acts almost like code, a continuous baseline running through the circuit of the text, completely overwhelming any traditional instructional narrative we might have been expecting. Which leads perfectly into Section 3, the waiting phase, a sudden detour. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is this dramatic shift in the text. Straight from the source, we get this. All I want, be so long, why you keeping me waiting? Just like that, the endless machine-like repetition abruptly breaks into full, coherent sentences. It presents a deeply human plea about longing and waiting. We transition instantly from extreme heat to emotional vulnerability. Where did this come from? The source material offers absolutely zero warning. It's as if the electronics we're supposedly building have suddenly gained a voice and are speaking directly to the builder, expressing genuine frustration over a delay. It is genuinely fascinating how a text supposedly about DIY electronics abruptly shifts from repetitive data logic to a vulnerable narrative of longing and even waking up. It introduces concepts of time, so long, and consciousness. If this is an explainer on how to build something useful in 2026, the text strongly implies that the creation process involves a period of intense waiting, maybe even an awakening of the device itself. It flips the script entirely. You aren't just assembling parts anymore. You're making something that anticipates, something that waits.
Let's move to our final phase, Section 4, Trust and Connection, a personal resolution.
The ultimate takeaways from these abstract projects are beautifully distilled into these fragmented phrases. Out of nowhere, the text introduces the concept of me and you, establishing a direct, personal relationship. Then, it poses a deeply profound question. Whose trust me? It asks for faith, it asks for a real bond between the creator and the creation. But just as quickly as this connection is established, the transcript immediately sinks right back into that dominant, overwhelming baseline of heat, heat, heat. The human connection is fleeting, while the thermal reality of the machine is permanent. Tracing this chronological narrative arc gives us the ultimate map of this source data. We start at point 1 with the rigid baseline, that rhythmic repetition of heat. Then, at point 2, we hit that incredible lyrical shift, a surprising moment of awakening and waiting. Point 3 brings us to the climax of the text, a literal plea for connection and trust between me and you. And finally, point 4 shows the system completely resetting, snapping seamlessly back to its original state of endless heat. It's a perfectly contained loop. It tells this complete, beautifully abstract story of a machine, warming up, reaching out for human contact, and then returning to its base function. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a provocative thought straight from the data. If the useful electronics of 2026 are built entirely on these two strange pillars we've uncovered today, intense heat and fragile trust, why are they keeping us waiting? What exactly is the so long referring to? Are we waiting for the technology to catch up to us, or is the technology waiting for us to finally trust it? It's a really fascinating look at what we project into the future of our DIY creations, straight from the most unexpected data source imaginable. Keep questioning the data, keep looking for the narrative in the noise, and we'll see you next time.